Breaking news: President of South Sudan and Uganda accused of stealing money. People demand justice. A big scandal is now happening. The president of South Sudan and Uganda are accused of stealing money and resources from Keji County in South Sudan. Jawalin kona me mishalat rewichin winemi wa cha kum Uganda cha jagwanyen wojen cha yu cha kacham kene kuumɛ dung South Sudan lakin mayardit kene musabini no kene dangro ti chala do ken chicken yu kajo keji ken kacham kajo keji jen gwazda chi korai kwide gwade cha kuumɛ SSPD aptin cha joitin ka cha ganan ne di shop ko waro kuumɛ Uganda barai na cha George no take mugul road lat ramken michirwa jelong gwaseme wudenen yene me jen wa a general chala major general Benjamin Goro enono a general. The accusation covered the year from 2013 to 2025. Many people are angry and are asking for quick action. Wakil mayardit kana wudu shalka me musabeni watu ken met kaje keji ne karon kin dangre wel jok a karon kin dangre de dich abenika wala wani to wan longa ken kake ki jedlo nyat kake ka do badan en cham kene kaje keji ka cham kene je ka long ka do badan en chikana lat kene tin kon cham ke resource ni nyin kaje keji kuumɛ dung Uganda kene kiir mayardit. The people have suffered for too long while leaders take money for themselves. Major General Goro said, "We will not just watch while our future is sold for personal gain. We will fight until every stolen coin is returned and every person responsible is punished." Joe chalat gwasame en wudu shalke Major General Goro chalad nuone a janishi di gwinene kwa ne ko kwa la shenge jak gwa misham ke kwa gan ko gwa misham ke tin konde kule jak a jiweda a janna me chine nok mi jega long no a janna ko kwitemo gone nuone ne a binay weda bine jakaman gwane jen ko dong ba ne yar ki ba kwa ba ga cham gwam sham ka lieda cham ko tindi ala konde de gada ka jik so ko kujamo a jeni bine fight back kene sha kwa ka cha bu cham lora bang no a kiir mayardit ano kene wudu shal kame museveni a jena mo sha tuɔɔk so ko kujamo ne de ko ne gujen wodi tiken ka shong malat keneno. The people have suffered for too long while leaders take money for themselves, Major General Goro said. We will not just watch while our future is sold for personal gain. We will fight until every stolen coin is returned and every person responsible is punished. It is not yet clear how much money or resources were stolen, but Keji County is an area that already has problems with border fight and humanitarian crisis. This makes the case even more serious. The term of the accusation include the civil war and many struggles South Sudan faced after independence. This news comes at a time when the people are already upset about corruption and no accountability in the government. People are already upset, right? Because of the corruption. The fact that the two presidents are being accused could make the situation more unstable and cause more call for reform. The international community, which has given billions of dollars to help South Sudan, will be watching closely. Okay, that's the information that they said. So, Canadian tinen kongeti Canadian content. Shikuri kan la no shikana ngo kan shikan bigu ne kuumɛ dung South Sudan kwala kwa ke chama yoken ko ngai kon ne dialati wude mene jen chale general Major General Goro jani ramkel mimo ngai tin dia lat ko rodien are which ka South Sudan ka kaje keji so kan sha kaje keji cha kwa dial cha ka cham so tanen ko meni jen na talk so kiir mayardit awade je yikte ketin ko lat ko rodien kaje keji by the way take a kwaktung wan long 2013 nulat kon 2013 bega 2025 entama kan wora sham gaje kiir mayardit cha kuna ko biken ku kam je kum Uganda So she can ne de konti la jewi ka kaje keje kan ci ko barar te ko kon jodin kon ling kan malat ke kirma yadi cine nok she chong so ko ku mone cine logo man let kirma yadi dem so jo me amishe karalat ki mishalat gor konde konte ka ngaida no kata dan dong te kuumɛ dung so Sudan tekeje so be kon dil ngajin wonene kirma yadit she gor no te mal mede bere wi ka so Sudan ajen mi shamu godiyalo shamu kuumɛ South Sudan karwade all the resources dab liet everything wakadora so jen chakula do me chine bigich we will not just watch without doing anything again we have to fight back jen jodan chikalat kala den lang link kono gwas me kimen banalat eno ka ki Dr. Machar eno bana madana chiro do lat gwas ban jelim Dr. Machar political struggle and how he can recover at the time or at the same time many people are watching what will happen to Dr. Machar, South Sudan first by president and leader of the opposition. Nating one, take a good time, to Dr. Machar, everybody. Teacher or Karwade, Dr. Machar, Jariti Jian, Bajanek, Bajaleldi, Chapower, Shajakan, and all that to talk to Larian Tama. So Machar has been in politics for many years, leading peace talk and calling for fairness and equal right. But now his power is much weaker because he is kept under house arrest in Juba. His party SPLMIU also has many internal problems, and the government work to limit his influence. So menen yename tada ndonde Dr. Machar ro kule keje lokira. Tada nder let keje lokira. Ela dormi Dr. Machar la deje te kirma yadit against it. So Dr. Machar do badan en daro da keje no tidup to wan tikitin. But men yam bana ngai gwas men bukolling. Dr. Machar she weak. She rami polpol. Dr. Machar cha give up. Then a future leader. You take a tea to Dr. Machar ko ka face and temate bag. Menyam, no freedom to move. He cannot travel or meet with supporter. Jen chajal chadeja Canadian corner shunga jakel. So the menyam. Dr. Machar chibone charoda dark internal split. His party is divided, making it weak. Point bonda point the end Dr. Machar chibone charoda dark. Reason da ngayena kirma yadit chabon dung Dr. Machar che jago baroda dark. So na mo ko Dr. Machar ba ko je weekend me link kon mo gwasa me mere dia link kon gwasa me ne ka Dr. Machar janene Dr. Machar government tactic na antikeje jaga kuumɛ da ko ba ra weekend ba the ruling party is working to weaken him termene jena ya par call che jela side jena working jela side to kwa kuumɛ Dr. Machar kwa jela yarakan so menen yana me metwok menda dien de ko la no re kuumɛ ka one thing kere which publicly re wika so dan keliu chineru wan chi chu je kana kwar chi jenten the one thing bomu ku Dr. Machar ko je face people are losing hope in leader who have been in power for many years without change. So and message mba cha do ka Dr. Machar daro ka kiir ko kiir mo yadi da kwer and is doing nothing. So Dr. Machar ti do mo daro da recover ka jen weak na sandara cha non ka ja ko jen she weak but dara recover manyam bring party together, make people with defector and spirit grouped to have peace. He has to make peace with defector. Merode share his message bajor be dil tup ka social media ka media na dial bana bagal had mandana gore de la rewi ka South Sudan menodien strengthen the local support jen magor jeno boniam ba yiglet kanitin contin la community. Work with trusted people to talk to communities. Naito mabora ka kuida ka community so gore je. Menodien and Dr. Machar gore jeno you need to get help from outside like working with Africa Union, IGAD and other to push for peace deal. Menodien prepare for election. Dr. Machar did realika ka queen kware. You need to have a clear plan and work with other reform leaders. Mugi konde aro da realika ka queen kware cause de kula kwan so mika aro da realika ba yadil kwanye de. Go kume de ba jana kwerde ka jano dong kan ro realeka tikem me kwaje la tire duile tama ka chajalun baro realeka de. This should be the question kan ideal ono Dr. Machar baro realeka de ki bala kwerdi reewich ka South Sudan me kan ro da ko realeka ka ko inquire mena den he has to think national not regional. Show he want to lead all South Sudanese but northern wo bene diare wika South Sudan be karwach. So Dr. Machar jena kwer as South Sudan face big corruption accusation politics may change quickly. If Machar want to survive and rise again, he must unite his party, share a strong vision, and work with both local people and international partners. Me go jena broad jena Dr. Machar but they let kanete content la local but let kanete content la international libane no bene dial part members nga dial bagadi no gwakel cega partner par calling antin ko yurien ko jentama bagado gwakel ko bi ka nyoko milet ken kel so jowo me be Dr. Machar be jakob nyoko bom so Dr. Machar she weak as strong ko kuma da ngoda bakana ni yarmam right kone so kuma da ngoda bume ray weak ka South Sudan jowo me agenda na gore de nywa ya kel mi jiram jidit ka no online TV channel gore jen wo jin bilar mbi nywane de ko ken inshallah shan konyak an wala shanka wal dish ka pay badak ron kin dangraw iri jan dangraw de dich biata kamal ban yo jigala rodien bye bye.